Hi guys, how are you? Dima is here, remember me? I've got a new order. I need to cover this matryoshka with crystals. Matryoshka is a traditional wooden doll. It wouldn't be hard to cover it with crystals if I had to cover it completely, because it's quite easy to make a scattered crystal pattern. However, the task is to make a scattered crystal pattern but with the space between the crystals, and this can cause some difficulties. This space between the crystals should be the same everywhere. I've got a certain budget that I cannot exceed, which means I can only use a certain amount of crystals. And this is where it gets even more complicated. If someone else helps me, then the pattern will turn out uneven. Each artist has their own vision, their own style. So if several people work on the same project without a template, then with the hands of different people, the pattern can come out different too. As a result, we can get different patterns on different parts of the object. Somewhere there will be more crystals, somewhere less. In the end, we'll have uneven and not nice coverage. But my task is to do it perfectly and evenly, so that the pattern is the same everywhere. That's why we must lay out the crystals according to the pattern. But now we've got one more issue: how to transfer a pattern to our matryoshka. It's not flat. It is easy to transfer patterns to a laptop, fridge, car, yes, even on a tumbler. Our matryoshka has got the curves. Look how the paper with the template goes on it. The thermal tape crumples the same way. How to transfer this pattern evenly over the entire matryoshka's body, to follow all the curves and keep even spaces between crystals. There is a solution. We can print this pattern on a stretch fabric. In the template, I use rhinestones of 3 sizes. But I will print only 2. Then I will put the largest size in the remaining gaps. To distinguish sizes, I mark them with color. Red goes for size SS16, blue for size SS20. Now we can print. Look, we have just printed this pattern on the fabric. Now I can wrap matryoshka and transfer the marks. To prevent the fabric from moving, I will use temporary adhesive spray. I'm spraying the glue. Now the fabric has become sticky, but we can remove it without damaging the matryoshka. We are fixing it. There will be a seam at the back, but I will put the crystals by hand there. It won't be hard. Now we need to transfer each point to the surface. I will transfer the red dots with an awl. This way I will put the size SS16 where there will be a puncture. I will transfer the blue dots with a mini drill. I will put the size SS20 where the paint will be cut. Yes, it's long and difficult, but it will let us create a perfect uniform coverage. In my work, I like everything to be perfect. Now, as the whole pattern has been transferred, we can remove the fabric and clean the grease off the surface. Now we can start gluing. Look how easy it is. Now a few people can help me. You just need to put a glue drop and put a rhinestone in the middle. The pattern will be the same all over the surface. It doesn't matter how many people will help me. Great, isn't it? A rhinestone, a drop of glue. This way we cover it completely. After everything is done, it's time for my least favorite process. Cleaning. The glue is sticking out. Oh, we see some fingerprints. Anyway, we can't do without it. Everything is ready. Look how evenly we have covered our matryoshka. We used the exact number of crystals we planned to use. We didn't exceed the budget and we got the perfect coverage. Sometimes it's better to lose a day, but then to finish in no time. Subscribe to my channel to learn new secrets and tricks of working with rhinestones and to see more crystal experiments. Make sure you hit a like. Stay tuned. See you guys in no time.